I'd like you to meet blue cheese's best friend. This is Ritual's Cherry Vanilla Bar. It is a dark chocolate with some bourbon vanilla, highlighted by the addition of some dried tart Montmorency cherries sprinkled on the back. It is really, really fun to, I think, to be able to taste the difference between the chocolate that has the bits of cherries on the back and the bits that don't. I think you get a lot of really, really fun extra flavor when there are the cherry parts, and when there aren't, you get really great vanilla flavor. And I know that once upon a time we talked about vanilla like it was the bad guy, when it is hiding in dark chocolate, when it is a sneaky third, fourth, or fifth, or even sixth ingredient. But because there is a place for vanilla, and because it does add some lovely softness and helps round out those flavors, when it's called out like this and when it is an intentional addition to a bar or two, I think it's really nice. And it's gonna make your pairing capabilities a whole lot easier. The vanilla is what makes this really great and lovely for pairing with blue cheese, because it really helps to round out the blue cheese flavors that could make you feel a little bit uncomfortable when you're considering pairing options. This is the key ingredient that will make it feel like a really illustrious, perfect pairing. If you get stuck on how to pair with chocolate, I find that it's easier to start with a vanilla inclusion bar than with a straight jar. So as you're kind of building your compendium of chocolate and whatever pairings, start here and embrace the vanilla.